Hello children, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your maths class. So today we are going to solve some exercises from the book. Your Navneet Golden Mathematics book. Okay, for that children you need to turn to page number 14. Turn to page number 14 of your Navneet Golden Mathematics book. What is the chapter about? The chapter is about equal, more, less. Okay. So look at the sets of parrots and at first let me tell you what is equal, more and less. Suppose let's take the example of fingers, right? In this hand I am showing you one finger. And in this hand, I am showing you one finger. So, 1, 1. It's equal when you have the same number of things in both the sides. That means this side equals this side. If I have, for example, for this time I'm taking the example of this. Okay, I'm having this. What is this? Sanitizer bottles. Okay, suppose in this hand I'm having one and in this hand I'm having another. Like the finger also, this side equals this side. That means equals. This hand equals to this hand. That means here also I'm having one sanitizer and here also I'm having one sanitizer. Now, what is more and less? See, I'm showing you 4 fingers in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this hand, I'm showing you only 2 fingers. 1, 2. So, which number is more? I mean, while counting, which number you get later? 4 or 2? See, this hand has 4, this hand has 2. Which comes later while counting? 4 comes later. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So, this is more than this. And less. Which one is less? If this is more, then this is less. Which one comes first when you count? 2 or 4? 2. So 2 is less than 4. Just count where you are getting more numbers. That is 2, 4. 4 is big. 4, 8. 8 is big. In this way. Whichever you are getting more, that one is more, and the one lesser than this is less. What else language I should use for less? Not many as this. Not many as this. It is fewer. So this is less and this is more. I hope I'm clear. Okay, see, exercise 1 and 2 is not required. 1 and 2 is not required. We will move on to assignment 1 in page number 15. Page number 15 we will move on. Okay? See, make 1-to-1 pairs. That is tick. If the 2 groups have equal numbers, suppose 2 groups are there. If in the both sides you get the same number, that is 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, you will put a tick. But if in both the sides the number are different, suppose here you are getting 2, here you are getting 3, or here you are getting 4, here you are getting 5, then you will put a cross. Am I clear? I hope I am. Okay, let's move on now. See, the first picture you all can see here, I guess. Here, there are how many balls? How many balls are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls only. 4. And here we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 4, that means it's not equal. 1 we are getting 5 and we are getting 4. That means it's a cross. If here we also have 4 bats, then it will be a tick. But since it is not, it will be a cross. The next one, hammers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hammers. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nails. So 4, 4. That means it will be a tick. We are getting the equal, the same number. Right? Move on to this. So pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 pencils. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 erasers. 7 pencils, 6 erasers. That means it's not equal. We will put a cross. Next. These are the kites. And the kites, what does it called? I just can't recall the name right now of this. The thing in which the kite is, the thread of the kite we roll on. I just forgot the name of this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kites and 4 reels actually of kites, reels of thread. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. So what happens? 4 of them, which means it's equal. So we will put a tick on it. Correct. Next. See, such beautiful pictures of butterflies we can see here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 butterflies. And here how many flowers you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers and 4 butterflies. That means you need to put a cross in it because it's 5 and it's 4. And the last example goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are some, candy sticks, and these are some cold drinks. So 5, 5. It's equal. We'll put a tick on it. Clear? Now what happens? Unlike that, we will move on to the more and less part. See, make one-to-one pairs, that is, take the groups having more objects and cross the group having less object. Here we don't have to put a total of tick. We need to find out which one is more and which one is less. Like I said by, showing the example of fingers. Here see, you are having 3 ink pots. 1, 2, 3. And here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one is more? More is the number of pens. So we will put a tick on the pens and cross the ink, since these are less than this and these pens are more than this. That is why we have put the tick. Here you can see the picture of rabbits and carrots. There are 3 rabbits. 1, 2, 3. And the rabbit and the carrots are 4 in numbers. Which one is more? The carrots is more. So we will put a tick on the carrot and cross the rabbit because it is less. Next we can see the picture of some, crow and some, what's this? Jug kind of, you can say. Okay, so jar, basically it's a jar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crows and 3 jars. So we will put a tick on the jar and put a tick on the crow. Sorry, cross the jar and tick the crow. Here we can see some bats and balls of table tennis. So here are 1, 2, 3. 3 bats. So we'll cross it since number of balls are more. It's 5 balls. Next we will move on to knife and apples. There are 4 knives. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many knives? There are 4 knives. And how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one is bigger? I mean, which one is more? 5 is more than 4? What comes later when we count 4 or 5? 5 comes later. That means the one that comes later is more. So we will put a tick on 5 and on apples, and we will put a cross on the knives. And the last one, cup and plate. You all can see there are 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 plates. So 6 obviously is more than the cups. So we'll put a cross on it and we'll put a tick on the plates. So this chapter is finished, children. Assignment 3 is not required. And next day we will solve in copies the, put the signs. You will have to copy it down in your notebook. The next day we will be doing that. Okay. So for now, just go through this chapter once. This is an interesting chapter. You just need to count and just remember that this is 4, this is 5. That means 5 is bigger than 4. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Take good care of yourself and your family members. Bye-bye.